Today, I am going to reveal the 3P secret formula to success. But first, I would like to share a story with you. The story of the great artist Picasso. When he was having a meal in a restaurant, he was interrupted by a man. The man said to Picasso while giving a napkin, "Sir, could you sketch something for me? I am ready to pay you." In response, Picasso took out a charcoal pencil and sketched an image of a goat. And while giving the napkin back to the man, Picasso said that this sketch cost $100,000. The man was shocked and said, $100,000? Why? It took no more than 30 seconds for you to draw. In response, Picasso said that you got me wrong. It didn't took me 30 seconds to draw. It took me 40 long years. So friends, now let us see the 3P formula in detail. The first P to this formula is to keep practicing. The act of repeatedly doing the things is practice. There is only one way to learn a new skill and achieve success in that, and that is to keep practicing. Bruce Lee once said that I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Practice is the key to success. All the great personalities practice for long hours to give a 5 to 10 minutes performance. In the initial level, learning the skill is very important, and then it is all about practice. When you practice more and more, you will come closer to your success. Just learning the skill will not bring perfection in you, but practicing will help you get perfect at a particular thing. The second P of this formula is passion. Passion is the extreme interest at a particular thing. The people who are passionate about their work are more successful than the people who are not passionate. The people who are passionate about their work are more energetic and have more enthusiasm than others. The people who are passionate love what they are doing. The things you love the most is your passion. Now, here comes the biggest question. Why do many of the people do not succeed in their life? So, the answer to this question is the people do not love what they are doing. The people are just working for money. But if you want to gain success in a particular thing, then you need to be passionate about it. Passion will help you to increase your productivity. It will take your productivity to the peak, and this will help you achieve success greater than others. You will be ahead than your competitors. The third and the most important tip to success is patience. To achieve great results in your life, you need to have patience in you. The patience is the ability to wait and continue doing. Patience will help you to achieve great success in your life. When you start to do something great, you do not get results immediately. You have to wait patiently for your success. Enjoy your journey towards success. Believe in yourself that one day you are going to get success. The founder of KFC, his recipe was rejected 1009 times before anyone accepted it. But he patiently waited for his success, and he was having passion at his goals. So he succeeded in his journey. If you change your track, then you will not be able to get success in any of the field. Patience is the key to success. Sachin Tendulkar practiced for 12 hours a day. So he succeeded in his life. He was having a lot of patience and he was passionate at his goals. So he became very successful in his field. So, this was the 3P formula. The first P is practice, the second P is passion, and the third P is patience. Friends, these were the 3 P's to success. If you master all the 3 P, then you will definitely get success. But remember one thing, any of the P is missing, then you will not get the desired success. Master all the P's and success is all yours. So friends, this was all about this video. For such amazing motivational videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Have a great day.